So in this video, we're gonna look inside a spinner toy. There was an article today in CNN or something like that that said fidget spinners are not a toy. I was like, they're not a toy? What the heck are they? Are they a medical device, I guess? And how they're being banned in school. So anyways, we're gonna look inside one, but we're not gonna break one open. We are gonna x-ray one. And we're gonna take an x-ray of one just sitting there, and we're going to take x-ray of it, live x-ray with it spinning. So check it out. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe. I have almost 600 videos here on YouTube, something for everybody, and let's get x-raying.